Hello friends, I'm Deepak Poche from Mumbai. I'm looking at various aspects of this course, and I'm learning a lot of things across it. Things which I could have not done in an ordinary course of action, I am able to do it now and learn many things like how to create a course material for online submission and teaching it to people, making it aware. And this is a lot of improvement in myself for presentation, because all the time during the physical class I've been looking at students to make them understand and interact with them. That was only I am talking to them and they are talking to me. But this time it's me talking to me, and it gives a lot of ideas to improve myself than telling someone, okay, you do this business this. Telling myself I have to change this doesn't look as per my own standards, and this is a lot of improvement within myself for me, and that's a big achievement as an individual. And I'm thankful for Ramanujan College for designing and this course. A lot of improvement, very small tiny steps